Today's project. Land Rover. Coolant leak. Coolant leak. See where it's coming from. I already looked at it, so. It's leaking right there. You see that? This is what we're gonna look like looking at it. Let's see.
It started. Hey, you could see from like here to like.
Also, this customer tried to take the wheel off by themselves, and it didn't really work out too well for them. Let's see. So that's going to be our first project before we attack the coolant leak. Well, we got her. She fucked this wheel up pretty good, but we got his lug nut off for him. Hopefully the rest don't break. Alright, we got everything disconnected, all the hoses. There's a one Torx bolt over here to take it out. Now I just gotta get these lines off and we're good to go. Parts out. I had to disconnect the hose from up here because I was putting a lot of stress on this plastic pipe, and I've already changed this crossover, and it's not fun. It's under the supercharger. But let's get these hoses transferred over to the new part over here. Bam! New parts in, new housing, new line. Let's put some antifreeze in and bleed this. All back together. Topped off. Let's fire out, let her bleed.